हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, बल्कि 4 DIY फ्रेंडशिप डे के लिए। तो आज है इंटरनेशनल फ्रेंडशिप डे। तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। इस क्राफ्ट के लिए हमें चाहिए एक वाइट पेपर A4 साइज शीट। तो आपको सिंपली कर लेना है ऐसे, और उसको ऐसे फोल्ड करना है, और ऊपर तरफ से भी इसको ऐसे फोल्ड कर देना है, ऐसे जैसे मैं फोल्ड कर रही हूँ एकदम ऐसे फोल्ड कीजिएगा। ऐसे फोल्ड कर दिया है मैंने। अब चलिए नेक्स्ट, टेक योर स्केल एंड यू नीड टू मेक ए स्क्वायर लाइक हाउ आई एम मेकिंग ओवर हियर वन। स्क्वायर के सारे एजेस बनाना भूले ना। और यहाँ पे उसका रिबन बना लेते हैं थोड़ा सा। सब ये सब ना पेंसिल से कीजिएगा, क्योंकि अगर कोई गलती हुआ तो आप उसे तब सुधार सकते हैं इरेजर से। एकदम वैसे ड्रॉ कीजिएगा जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया है, तो बहुत अच्छे से बनेगा ऐसे जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया। नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज दैट यू नीड टू ड्रॉ लाइंस लाइक दिस, हाउ आई एम ड्रॉइंग ओवर हियर, सो दैट इट लुक्स लाइक ए कार्ड. This is a friendship card, the first craft made by us, and then draw over here 2 lines too. So our craft is ready over here, and now it's the time for coloring. और रेड का उपयोग कर रही हूँ, so here you need to color it blue like this. How I'm coloring? Here I have colored it all. Now we need to cut these edges a bit with the help of scissors because it's too big. So here I'm gonna cut this much like this, and now it's the perfect size. So here on 4 squares we colored blue, and now we need to color it red over here, and then we need to outline with a black color. So this craft is ready, the card part, and now let's write the internal message. So suppose someone is opening, so he or she should open like this. So we need to write a message. Color pencils or sketch pens, whatever you have, and start writing. Use different colors so that it looks pretty. And for the next color, so I'll use green. Yeah, now let's decorate it with hearts. So it's ready. Now, time for it to be closed. And now we need to again grab our sketch pens and write over here. Open. Then we need to open this thing. So the first craft, let's now move on to the next craft. So the next craft is very easy. You need to take a white paper or color paper, whatever you have, and then you need to fold it. Alright, and then you need to cut this half. Cut this half. Cut it as I am cutting over here. A line must have been created. Cut on the line over here. So this line is cut, and now we need to take this half page, fold it, and do the same cutting over here. So let's cut it and do the same over here. Cut it. So friends, you need to cut more like this, and you need to make it in a book shape like this. So you must be thinking I'm making a diary or like a book shape. Then it's wrong. You're going to make something more interesting. So do the same with this. Change it like this, and like this, like this. So here I'm done with arranging, and now you need to take your pencil, alright, and you need to draw any shape. Like it's friendship day, right? So I'll make a big heart inside which I'm gonna write happy friendship day. So this is the heart. You need to cut it easy. And now friends, one more thing I forgot to tell you, that from now only long videos will come on my channel. It's only 1 or 2 minutes videos long, so please try to watch that 1 or 2 minutes long video, because it will help my watch hours increase. And I'll upload shorts when you all people will request me to upload shorts of different topics, like if you want any challenges. And one more thing, if you want me to do challenges, so now suppose you have 7 days craft challenge, then I will be going to do that in long videos. It means that all 7 days craft challenge I'll be doing in one day, and you can see that craft and make many things. So here this is ready, the hearts. Now let's see what's the next. Take this big heart sticker and you need to stick over here like this, and these all parts you need to color with your favorite color. Color with your favorite color, and now you need to stick it. I mean, take this part. Let me show you. So in this part over here in the corner, you need to take your glue and keep glue, and you need to stick like that for all the parts. How I'm sticking, friends. Here this book is ready, so you need to turn the page like this. This is the extra page over here. You need to turn it like this. You need to write whatever you want. Like I'll write over here this. If you can see what I wrote, then please do it. Please, it's a request. Only these two things. This to my channel and this to this video. You want the red edges to show, then you can simply make it like this. So isn't it looking fascinating? If you want backside, you can keep the same sticker backside, but I like it like this. Is to make photo frame friendship day craft. So you need to take your scale again, draw some lines over here like this. As you can see, I've drawn over here lines. You need to draw the same 14 lines. Here it is ready, and now you need to color these sides with your favorite color. So let's color it with this color. So here I've colored it, and now we need to take our sketch pen and write over here, Happy Friendship Day. You can decorate it with stickers or whatever you have. So I have stickers, so I will of course be decorating it, but not with stickers, with like the sketch pen. Yeah, it's ready. So here our mini photo frame is ready. White paper. So you need to fold it this much so that it looks a square. Fold it, and then let's cut it. So here the paper is cut into square. So now let's see the next process. Sketch pen. So anything you have, and again the same message. Happy Friendship Day. Different colors as I told before. You know, which color shall I take next? Blue, pink, green. No, green we already took, right? Purple or orange. I think pink. Pink would suit. So let's write day. But we're not done yet. We are done with writing the message we want to convey. So for that, now we need to write with the border. So in the side, you need to make like this, and in the bottom, you need to do the same. And on the top, you need to do the same. And over here also the same. And now color it with your fave colors or your best friend's color. So let's color orange over here. Now with the next color blue. Now let's do the next color red. Use pink. Done with the card, and now just think of the decorations. This all is extra. It's your choice if you want to do it or not. So you can make flowers, you can make stars, you can make smileys, whatever you want to make. So 4 crafts are ready. This is the first card. This is the second diary, mini diary. This is the third photo frame, and this is the fourth surprise gift box. So I hope you like my all 4 crafts. So give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.